up, YouTube? Let's learn to play this song, Citizen, by Sir Sly, featuring Gary Clark Jr. In the other clips I've seen of Sir Sly, the lead singer is playing it with a capo. But this song you can play in open position pretty well without a capo. But what I'm saying is I've never seen them perform this song, so. It starts out on a D. Now they don't have the distortion on like I do, but I think it sounds good. That's the first move. D to C. And then you walk the C bass note down to a B. Okay, so D, just your regular open D. You're playing a B basically over the C. D, C, B. Or you could just play the B bass note, because it's a passing note. It's very quick. Then it goes to F, G. Alright, that's the main riff or chord sequence in the song. Right, so the bridge is like, I wanna be a perfect citizen. Okay, so that is, we're going to take our A shape that we play in the open position. We're going to slide it up to the 3rd fret. That is, you could call it an A sharp, but most people call it a B flat. But it's just taking this A and sliding it up 1 fret to the 3rd fret. That's how it begins. I don't wanna be a... Goes to C. Perfect. And F. We're just playing that on strings 4, 3, 2. There's a little walk down, much like we did on the C, except this time we're walking down on the 4th string. The final walk down is open D, and we're playing a D minor there. You can play a D power chord. Be like, that's just the open D string and the G string at the A at the 2nd fret. That's a D5, better known as a D power chord. Okay. Then it starts over. You could go to the C as a passing chord, or you could just go straight to the B flat. And then they're like, and they go C. Good luck on that, and then they go back to the verse. Film is Gary Clark Jr. That's being played in the D minor pentatonic, the 10th fret. It's got a little extension box up here at the 13 and 15. So just look up a D minor pentatonic scale chart, and you want to look at the 10th fret position. Because you got a D on the 10th fret, on the high and low E's, right? Because you got an E at 12, right? In open. So 2 frets below E is D. What you got to realize is that this is not the only shape of the pentatonic. So you can go to another shape up here, and you can go to another shape down here. There's different shapes other than like the first one you learn. So anyways, and he's got a lot of echo on there. I think he's playing this like. Alright, so that should give you somewhere to start if you want to try to emulate that solo. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.